What are the top IAS 16 mistakes you need to avoid in order for you to understand this fundamental accounting standard? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 key mistakes that you have to avoid in order for you to understand this fundamental accounting standard in your financial reporting or corporate reporting examination on your journey to become a certified chartered accountant or a chartered accountant. Remember that IAS 16 is one of the fundamental accounting standards that you need to know about if you are going into the examination for any financial reporting or corporate reporting exam. But there are various mistakes that students ignore, that they don't pay attention to, and irrespective of the number of questions you solve, some of these mistakes still linger around and it ends up affecting you in the examination. And so I'm sharing with you 7 key mistakes that you need to avoid and explain the concepts to you so you can go to the exam or write the exam with confidence and pass the examination. Mistake number 1 is incorrect initial measurement. Many students miss the initial measurement of the asset. In accordance with IAS 16, the initial cost shall be the purchaser's cost plus all other directly attributable costs incurred in bringing the assets to its present use. And so right from the word go, some people miss the calculation of the initial measurement. Note that if your initial measurement is wrong, then suddenly everything else is going to be wrong. So you have to ask yourself, okay, if I want to determine the initial cost of the asset, what are the directly attributable costs incurred in bringing the asset to its present use? And the trap here is that there are certain costs that you may see in the question which may look like cost necessary to bring the asset to its present use, but they are not supposed to be included in the initial cost of the asset. Something like feasibility study. Feasibility study for the construction of an office building is an expenses, must be written off in the profit or loss account for the year that it is incurred. Now, this is the misconception. Some people are like, the feasibility study is necessary, then we can now build. And so in that case, let's include in the initial cost of the head office the feasibility study. No, feasibility study is like research expenses. And in accordance with IAS 38, all research expenses must be written off in the profit or loss account in the year that they are incurred. Another thing is architect's fee. For architect fee that is qualified, it will be included in the initial cost of the asset because we need the architectural drawings to be able to then build. Then things like commissioning cost, we don't need that because whether the asset is commissioned or not, it is ready for its intended use. Things like training of employees. People think that